Hello, and welcome to Celiac.com news. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest celiac disease and gluten-free diet news. And if you have any questions, be sure to join the Celiac.com forum online at Celiac.com. And now, let's move on to the latest Celiac.com news. Impact of a gluten-free diet on gut function and microbiome in celiac disease. Today, we're diving into an important study that explores how a gluten-free diet affects gut function and the microbiome in individuals with newly diagnosed celiac disease. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder triggered by gluten, and the gluten-free diet is the primary treatment. But how does this diet really impact the gut environment? Let's find out. Study overview. The study followed 36 newly diagnosed celiac patients and compared their results with 36 healthy individuals over 1 year. Researchers focused on gut function, including small bowel water content, gut transit time, colon volume, and microbiome changes. Let's break down what they found. Key findings: gut function changes. Small bowel water content. Celiac patients had higher small bowel water content at the start of the study, indicating damage from gluten. After 1 year on a gluten-free diet, water content improved, but it didn't fully match healthy levels. Gut transit time. Celiac patients had slower gut transit times initially, meaning food took longer to pass through the digestive system. A year of gluten-free eating improved transit time, but it remained slower compared to healthy individuals. Colon volume. No significant difference in colon volume was found between the two groups, suggesting the gluten-free diet affected the small intestine more than the large intestine. Gut microbiome changes. Before the gluten-free diet, celiac patients had higher levels of bacteria like Escherichia coli and Enterobacter, which are associated with poor nutrient absorption. Beneficial bacteria like Bifidobacteria were lower in celiac patients. After 1 year, the gluten-free diet led to a decrease in Bifidobacteria, likely due to the removal of gluten-containing fibers like resistant starch. However, a bacterium called Blaudia wechsleri increased. Carbohydrate metabolism. The diet also changed how the microbiome breaks down certain carbohydrates, with decreased enzymes for digesting gluten-rich fibers, further disrupting the gut environment. Quality of life and symptoms. Patients reported worse gastrointestinal symptoms and overall well-being at the start of the study. After a year on a gluten-free diet, they saw significant improvements in symptoms like bloating and nausea. However, their quality of life didn't fully reach the level of healthy individuals. Why this study matters. This research highlights that while a gluten-free diet is essential for managing celiac disease, it doesn't fully restore gut health. The reduced levels of beneficial bacteria and altered carbohydrate metabolism suggest that more is needed beyond just avoiding gluten. For celiac patients, this study offers insight into why symptoms might persist even with a strict gluten-free diet. It also points to the need for additional strategies to support gut health, such as prebiotics, fiber-rich foods, or targeted probiotics. Conclusion. While the gluten-free diet improves symptoms for people with celiac disease, it doesn't completely reverse gut damage or restore the microbiome. This study paves the way for new treatments that could help improve gut health alongside dietary management. For those with celiac disease, ongoing care and potential therapies are essential for long-term health. To get the latest celiac disease news and information, be sure to subscribe to Celiac.com news. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.